Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to do an easy, simple makeup, eyeshadow, and foundation look. I pre-did her eyebrows off camera. I'll put a little link that you can locate how to do eyebrows. I use my Nye Cosmetic Clown Wipeout eyeshadow base. To achieve this look, I'll be doing my 123 technique. You only need 3 eyeshadow to get this look. I'm just using a crease brush to put a light brown color in the crease. Then a dark brown color on the tail. For the lid of the eye, I apply more clown white so that color could pop. You basically want to round off the clown white on the lid of the eye so when you place your next color, it will take the shape of that color. Now I'm just using a matte beige color on the lid. I'm just using a regular eyeshadow brush. All my brushes will be listed in the description box. After you get your lid colored, then you have to go back and touch the crease in the outer area of the eyes. Next, I'll be using Amuse Cosmetic Black Jet Liner to line up her lids. Then I'm going to use some black opal stick foundation called Nutmeg to sharpen up her eyeliner. Next, I'll be using some lashes by La Charmer. The number is 15 as her eyelash base. I just added some big lashes off camera. I did something new. I normally do my lashes last. When your client doesn't want you to try something new.
No, what is that, Norkita? Let me see.
It's a primer.
And make sure you stay on YouTube. As you can see, my customer is really. Let me see first. What kind of primer is this?
Oil.
Smash balls. That shit might be oily through my makeup. You know, when people go to sweating, their makeup start looking all shiny.
Sweating?
Yeah, I don't want that.
They say primer.
You put primer already.
She is funny and crazy. That's why I love using her as a model. Now I'll be using a color corrective called Orange by EyeBrow Pro to conceal all her dark areas on her face. For her foundation, I'll be using MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid NC50. This is my favorite stippling foundation brush. It will be listed in the description box. I love to cover up all the orange area first before I start covering her face. The NC50 Studio Fix Fluid is the only color I allow to be in the center of her face. Don't forget to get the product as close as possible to the eyebrow to help blend it down. At this point, I was debating should I put foundation on her forehead because she's wearing a bang. I know you guys always wonder about that, but it's up to you. The next shade around the perimeter of her face, I'll be using MAC Cosmetic NW 48. After I get both foundation on the skin, I like to add some more foundation because depending on what primer you use, you might see the face looking pitchy patchy. So when you see that look, I just add some more foundation. For her left eye, she got into a little injury, so please disregard the lines, but always brush underneath the eyes to remove any fine lines. Next, I'll be using EyeBrow Pro in the shade Warm Honey as her concealer and highlight. And I am using my same foundation brush to do all the highlight, contour, and concealing. I do have beauty blenders, but for some odd reason they always disappear. I don't know why, but they always disappear. But I will be having some more beauty blenders soon. Next, to contour her, I'll be using my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid NW 58. Now you can see that I did put some foundation across her forehead, so I decided to cover up her forehead even though she's wearing the bang. Even though you girls out there know, when you have your makeup done or your eyebrows done, you have a bang, y'all always put some split somewhere up in that bang so you can see the eyebrow. It's okay, let them see that full bead. As you can see, I'm using the same brush for the foundation, the highlight, and contouring. Don't worry, we're gonna get this nose together. Before I set underneath the eyes, I always make sure that the eye underneath the eye is nicely blended. Then I'll be using my Nye Cosmetic Natural Set to set her highlight area. Then to set her overall face, I'll be using MAC Cosmetic Skin Finisher in the shade Dark. I'm sorry you guys, I thought I was recording but it didn't record, but I added some banana powder on her highlighting area. Next, I'm using some Juvia palette, a mixture of blush. I'll list that in the description box. Now for the lips, I'll be using MAC Cosmetic Chestnut Pencil. I'll be lining up her lip, and I also use that same pencil to fill it in. I was going for a brown lip, but since I lost my brown lipstick, you can always fill in the lip with brown pencil. You can either put eyeshadow on top of the lip, brown eyeshadow, or you can put like a brown gloss on top. To clean up and sharpen her brown lipstick, I'm using her Skin's Foundation, MAC Cosmetic NC50. Studio Fix Fluid to sharpen her lip. The same brush that I used to sculpt the eyebrow is what I'm using to sculpt the lip. The concealer brush I'm using to sculpt the lip is MAC Cosmetic 242 brush. Now to dust all the highlighting powder off her face. You probably can't see it, but I went back with some dark skin finisher by MAC Cosmetic to tone down the highlighting powder, because sometimes that banana powder could be bright. Now to line up her waterline, I'll be using MAC Cosmetic white pencil called Fascinating. Now I'll be using a small eyeshadow brush to smudge underneath her eyes. I always use a cardboard to catch any fallout. Now it's time to pull out her bottom lashes and also the top lashes and remove any makeup products that's underneath the lashes. Last, I'll be using some Juvia's Place loose bronzers. Some people like to set the face first, then use the bronzer, or you could use it matte, either or. Then I'm just using some brown dark lip gloss from Black Radiance. And this is the time you fix, change, or rearrange anything you see or don't like. Last, I'll be using some Urban Decay De-Slick Satin Spray. I like to pat the product into the face. And here you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And please comment and let me know what you think of this look. Don't forget, the 123 look is the most easiest eyeshadow beat you can do.